Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw Hello Kitty. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. We'll start with the bow. At the right side, draw a small circle. Then draw the two sides of the bow. With a small half circle detail on each side. Draw an upside down letter V on top of the bow to make the right ear. Extend the line coming out from the left side of the bow to make the top of the head, then end it with an upside down letter V for the left ear. Connect the left ear to the right side of the bow with a large oval shape to make the face outline. Inside the face, draw two small oval shapes for the eyes. And an oval shape in between for the nose. Draw three curved lines on each side of the face for the whiskers. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a letter U right under the face. Then a line coming down from the bottom of the face on each side of the letter U. Connect the two lines together with a horizontal line at the bottom with a tiny upside down letter V in the middle. To finish the overall, draw two circles inside to make the button. Draw two half squares right next to each other, coming down from the bottom of the overall to make the length. Draw a line coming down from the bottom of the face on the right side, going down diagonally. Then draw a little thumb. Then the rest of the hand connected to the body. Draw a line in the middle of the arm for the sleeve. Draw a line coming out from the left side of the body, going slightly up, then connecting to the face with a curve to make the left arm. Draw a line in the middle of the arm for the sleeve. Sweet! Now you can draw Hello Kitty! Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show large reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.